Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Installing Python Libraries in Visual Studio Code. Introduction. Visual Studio Code, VSCode, is a popular integrated development environment, IDE, that supports various programming languages, including Python. One of the key advantages of using VS Code is its seamless integration with Python libraries. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing Python libraries in Visual Studio Code using the integrated terminal. Prerequisites. Before proceeding with the tutorial, make sure you have the following prerequisites installed on your system. Step 1. Open Visual Studio Code. Launch Visual Studio Code on your machine. Step 2. Open a Python file or create a new one. Open an existing Python file or create a new one by clicking on the File menu, selecting New File, and saving it with a .py extension. Step 3. Open Integrated Terminal. In Visual Studio Code, navigate to the View menu and select Terminal, or simply press Ctrl+ to open the integrated terminal. Step 4. Navigate to the project directory. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where your Python file is located. For example, Step 5. Install Python libraries. To install Python libraries, use the pip command followed by the library name. For example, to install the requests library, replace requests with the name of the library you want to install. Press Enter to execute the command. Step 6. Verify installation. After the installation is complete, you can verify it by checking the installed libraries. Use the following command. This command will display a list of installed Python libraries along with their versions. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a Python library in Visual Studio Code using the integrated terminal. This process allows you to easily manage and install external libraries, enhancing the functionality of your Python projects within the VS Code environment. ChatGPT.